Have you ever set a goal, get all hyped up like this is the year you get fit, start that YouTube channel, build that TikTok side hustle, and actually finish your assignments before the deadline? And then 2 weeks later, you're on your couch eating snacks, doom scrolling, and pretending your responsibilities don't even exist? Yeah, I've been there. And trust me, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack discipline. It's because the way most of us set goals is about as effective as using a spoon to dig a swimming pool. You're just stuck in a loop of setting yourself up for failure without even realizing it. But don't worry, I'm about to fix that for you. Here's the thing, failure doesn't happen all at once. It sneaks up on you. Like that one friend who says, bro, we should totally start a business, and then disappears when it's time to actually do the work. You start off strong. Motivation is at an all-time high. You've got your gym membership, your perfectly color-coded planner, your new year, new me energy. Then reality hits. You miss one day at the gym and you tell yourself no big deal. Then 2 days. Then suddenly it's August and your running shoes are now emotional support puppies staring at you. The problem is we rely on motivation. And motivation is about as stable as my Wi-Fi connection during an important Zoom call. So how do we really stop this cycle of failure? Step 1, make failure impossible. Most of us fail because we set goals that are too vague and too ambitious. Like, I'm gonna get fit. Nope, that's too broad. I'm gonna work out 5 days a week. Better, but still shaky. I'm going to the gym every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. and I'll only let myself watch Netflix if I've gone to the gym and actually done the workout. Now we're talking. This is how you should plan your goals. Try tying your habits to something rewarding. Make them automatic. Your brain is basically a toddler. It badly needs structure. Step 2, lower the bar. Yes, really. Most people fail because their goals are too vague and have zero structure. You decide to meal prep all your food, then get overwhelmed and order McDonald's instead. You plan to edit an entire video in one sitting, then take a quick break that turns into a 3-hour TikTok session. You open your laptop to start your assignment, and before you know it, you're taking a dumb TikTok quiz to find out what type of bread you are. I mean, really? Here's the trick though. Instead of setting insane goals, keep it so stupidly easy that failure is impossible. Maybe just do one exercise at the gym. If you're there, you'll probably do more. Want to read more? Maybe just read 1 page per day. You'll probably keep going. Want to start a side hustle? Start with spending 10 minutes on it daily. That's it. You'll find yourself hooked when you start seeing results. Your brain loves small wins, so give it some. Step 3, treat it like a game, because that's how your brain works. You ever notice how you'll grind for hours in a video game just to level up a digital sword, but when it comes to your actual life, you suddenly have zero patience? That's because your brain loves progress, but only if it can see it. So let's trick it. Turn your goals into a game. Use a habit tracker. Even a simple checkmark on a calendar is stupidly effective. Make a bet. Tell a friend, if I don't upload a video this week, I'll buy you coffee for a whole week. Boom, accountability. Use public shaming against you. Post a story saying, if I don't hit the gym 3 times this week, I'll text my crush what you doing every hour until they block me. Public shaming yourself sometimes works like magic. Our brain is actually designed to chase rewards and avoid embarrassment. We should use that to our advantage. So let's recap. Don't rely on motivation. It's a scam. Always lower the bar so low that you can trip over it. Track your progress like a high-score leaderboard. Do this, and I guarantee you'll start seeing progress this time. Not because you will use your superhuman willpower, but because you stopped making things harder than they need to be. Go take that first step. Write down a goal. Do 5 push-ups. Open your camera and record literally anything. And if you fail, cool, just start again. Failure only counts if you stop trying. Oh, and please subscribe so you don't miss watching more life-changing videos. Just kidding, I just want to see you win too.